Hey there, financial rockstars. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a rivalry as old as modern accounting itself. Well, almost. It is Sydney versus QuickBooks for 2025. Is Sydney the perfect partner for your QuickBooks, or is QuickBooks all you ever need? Let's break down the features and find out which one will be the best for your business. When it comes to their core function, Synder is an accounting automation tool that acts as a powerful bridge, automatically syncing sales data from over 30 e-commerce and payment platforms directly into your accounting software. While QuickBooks is a complete accounting platform that manages your entire business's financial health, including invoicing, payroll, expense tracking, and more. When it comes to what or who they're ideal for, Syndicate is ideal for e-commerce businesses, online retailers, and service providers who need to automate complex sales data entry and streamline reconciliation. While QuickBooks is best for a wide range of small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and startups looking for a comprehensive all-in-one financial solution. When it comes to automation, Synder is the ultimate automation wizard. Its core purpose to automate data entry and reconciliation for online sales, taxes, and fees. It is built to save you serious time and ensure accuracy for multi-channel selling. While QuickBooks offers powerful automation features like recurring invoices, bill reminders, and bank rules. In 2025, QuickBooks has introduced new AI-powered features for smarter categorization and reconciliation. When it comes to integration, Syndicate connects with a vast array of e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy, and payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, seamlessly integrating the data into QuickBooks. While QuickBooks integrates with a wide ecosystem of over 700 business apps, while it has some direct integrations with e-commerce platforms, Syndicate's specialty is bridging that gap with more detail. Even though QuickBooks has direct integration with some e-commerce platforms, Syndicate's specialty is bridging that gap with more detail. When it comes to full accounting suite, Synder works with QuickBooks not as a replacement. It's a powerful add-on that takes care of a crucial, time-consuming part of bookkeeping, allowing QuickBooks to do the rest. QuickBooks is a full-fledged accounting platform with built-in features for everything, from payroll to inventory management and detailed financial reporting. When it comes to ease of use, Synder is simple and intuitive for a specific purpose, syncing online sales. If your main pain point is e-commerce bookkeeping, you'll find it incredibly easy to set up and use. While QuickBooks is a comprehensive platform that is generally easy to navigate, but with a wide array of features, there is a learning curve to master all its functionalities. When it comes to pricing, Synder's plans are based on a number of monthly transactions, making it scalable for growing online businesses, with an additional cost to your QuickBooks subscription. QuickBooks is known for its multiple subscription tiers. We have the simple start, we have the essential, we have the plus, we have the advanced, that grow with your business, so it is a full service package. When it comes to reporting, Synder provides detailed reports on sales, taxes, and cost of goods sold, giving you a clear view of your online business health. This data then populates your QuickBooks reports. QuickBooks offers over 70 detailed reports covering every aspect of your business from profit and loss to cash flow and balance sheets. So in conclusion, you might ask, who's the winner? The answer is it depends on your business. Think of Synder as the ultimate sidekick to your main hero, which is QuickBooks. If you're an e-commerce business spending hours on manual data entry, Synder is a game changer that makes your QuickBooks 1,000 times more efficient. But if you're a small business or a service-based company without a lot of online sales, QuickBooks alone is a comprehensive, powerful tool that has everything you need. So let us know what you think in the comment section.